Welcome to Precision Disc's video tutorial on the Intellectual Property Rights Form, also commonly referred to as the IPR Form. The IPR Form is where you, the client, state whether or not you have the right to reproduce the content on your master. To start off, let's assume that you are the sole intellectual property rights owner for your project, and you'll see how quickly and easily the form can be completed. As it states in the top right-hand corner of the form, if you are the IPR owner, all you need to do is fill out the parts of the form that are indicated by the red asterisks. The first is the project title. Basically, this is just the name or title of your project. For example, if you're in a band, you would put the title of your CD here, not the name of the band, just the title of the CD. The next entry is distribution. The options are very self-explanatory, but if you are planning on selling your CD or DVD, you would select retail sale. Countries where distributed. If you're the IPR owner, it doesn't really matter what you enter here, so putting worldwide would be perfectly acceptable. Are you the IPR owner for the entire disk contents? Again, very self-explanatory, either a yes or a no. If yes, then you can go down to the bottom of the form to finish it off. Now we're looking at the bottom of the form, and as you can see, there are just 3 entries left. Company or organizational name. Very self-explanatory, but if you're a musician, you could put your band name here. Then it's just a matter of adding your name, phone number, and date, and then your signature at the bottom, and you're done. So now, what if you're not the intellectual property rights owner for all the content on your master? If that's the case, you would complete the IPR form in much the same way as I've just detailed, but with the following exceptions. First, where the form asks you if you are the IPR owner, you would select no. If you're not the IPR rights owner, then you need to provide proof of licensing. Make note that there are different types of licensing for different types of intellectual property. This section in the middle is where you would enter the details on what licensing is required for your project. You would then have to provide proof of licensing separately. Please also note that different countries may have different licensing requirements, so your proof of licensing will need to be applicable to all of the countries you wrote down in the Countries Where Distributed section. So there you have the basics of completing your IPR form. I hope that's been of use.